Hello, guys. Welcome to Glam Secret Skincare channel. My name is Maria, but you can call me Glam. So today, guys, I'll be sharing with you an amazing recipe. This recipe is called the Halfcaste Whitening Lotion. This is like not your regular whitening lotion. This is like 3-4 steps higher than your regular whitening lotion. So I'm sharing with you all of the products and the measurements to make this amazing whitening product. I want to use this opportunity to say thank you to all of you that have purchased my skincare products. I really do appreciate you. And to all of my returning subscribers, thank you. But if you just see my face for the very first time, please do me a favor. Yes, click on the subscribe button below, and also do not forget to turn your notification bell on so that you do not miss any of these amazing videos that I share. So if this looks like what might interest you, as this recipe is really good for you, yes, lest I forget, if you have a real tough skin, then this recipe I'm going to share with you is very amazing and will work for you effortlessly. So join me, guys. Let's go to the workstation where I'll be revealing to you how to mix and match this amazing product.
Alright, Divas, welcome to the workstation. In front of me, here's my whitening base cream. This base cream is formulated by me from scratch, but you can decide to use any whitening base cream. You know, whatever you know that whitens is good as a base cream. Now, the reason is because the basic truth, if you're making an half-cast lotion is a super whitening lotion. It's not just your regular whitening lotion. So you want to start with something that is already a bit strong so that the whole process is more effective and more potent. So that's why I'm telling you that if you're going to start your mixing, you should start with an already active whitening base. I probably will show you how to make a base cream, a whitening base cream from scratch in next video. So I think it's advisable you click on the notification bell now, and if you've not subscribed, please do so right away so that you do not miss any of the fantastic videos that I'll be dropping soon. So this helps you to get notified immediately I drop that video. So this is, like I said, is my whitening base, and it's a 400-gram whitening base cream. Apart from the whitening base cream here, let me quickly show you guys what I have in here. Now, what happened was that I got a call from one of my clients, you know, that introduced somebody else to me, and she needed a fast tough skin lotion for a very tough skin, and it was like a formulation I had formulated so fast because she was on her way to pick it. So I'd already started the mixing, but I was like, oh, why not show you a video of what I am mixing? So this is how far I've gone. So let me quickly introduce to you the other things I added to this whitening base cream. For my whitening base cream, the next thing that I added into this mix was Fee Whitening Beauty Cream. It's an effective cosmetic treatment. This is a very good cream. You know, it has this milky feel on the skin, and it's really active and very good as well for sensitive skin. So I added Fee in here, and I added 2 tablespoons of Fee into this right here. The next thing I added was my Elnet tube, because I told you this is Halfcaste cream, and this person has a real tough skin. I think you should go watch my video on knuckle treatments. You know, I used this because it's an effective whitening cream, so I had to use this as well. So I used Elnet tube. I used 2 tablespoons of Elnet tube in this as well. Third thing I added into this is this serum. I really love this serum. It's called Perfect Skin Repair and Whitenizer. It's a concentrate serum, and it also has argan oil and vitamin B3. Contains Sepi White as well. So I added 2 tablespoons of this into this mix as well. Now, the next thing I added was my pimento. I know that a lot of you know pimento and you know how strong it is. So I decided to have pimento because I like the fact that pimento tones very well without any adverse effect if you mix it correctly. So I added a whole bottle of pimento into this because this cream, like I said, is super half-cast cream, and it's a super whitening lotion. So I added pimento concentrate. Pimento is a real good concentrate, you know. I want you guys to know that you can make Halfcaste cream with serums, or you can decide to make, but I just decided not to use any whitening powders in this, and that's why I went for a good strong concentrates, you know, that work very well for the skin. So this particular mix has no whitening powders in it as well. Potent as that has whitening powders. So next I added this oil. If you've watched any of my videos, you know that I don't joke with oils like the nourishing oils in my mixes, because in as much as you want to whiten your skin, you want your skin not to dry out as well. So I like this oil because it contains vitamin E and contains beta carotene, and it really helps to glow the skin. So this oil is also like a pimento oil that I added into it. The next one I added is my vitamin E. This is a good vitamin E. It's just 100% vitamin E. These are naturals. You can decide to use any vitamin E that you have. So I'm adding vitamin E to this as well. So this, apart from the oil, I also added vitamin E as well to it. Now, after that, what I added was also my glutathione injection, glutathione white plus white extract gluta 150g injection. This is a strong super whitening serum. Really good. If you have dark elbows, dark feet, dark toes, dark knuckles, this works excellently. So I added the gluta injection to this mix as well. Next, I added my VIT whitening serum. This VIT Gold whitening serum is a broad spectrum serum, good for any kind of skin. If you have sensitive, tough skin, this is just a very good oil that you should probably get. It's a small bottle, I think it's about 60 ml, and also contains SPF 25, so helps to protect you against sun. So I'm adding the VIT Gold oil to this as well. Still watching this video at this point in time and you've not subscribed, please check to subscribe now. It's just the button below and it doesn't cost you anything. It shows that you enjoy my video and it shows that you support my content, and it will actually encourage me to do more of this video. So just click on the subscribe button now, and also do not forget to turn your notification bell on. So let me introduce you to the next thing I'll be adding, and that's my lactic acid. Now, this cream is a night cream. I need to state that because whenever you're using any whitening cream, you should make sure that you use at night. So I added the lactic acid to this as well. So now the VIT Gold in serum goes in. So for all of the measurements and the different products used, just check the description box. I'll be dropping everything right there for you to check through so that you know the correct measurements and all of the products that I used. So my VIT Gold oil goes into as well.
So if you're interested in purchasing any of the products, that I familiar, or this particular one as well, if you have tough skin and you want to really whiten up, this is good for you. Just send me a message, drop a message, and we'll take it from there. So I added in my VIT Gold oil. I have 2 tablespoons in there as well, and then I stir very well, really, really well. If you also want to go the extra mile, you can use your hand mixer to start stirring at this point, but there really is no need to do that. So I just use my spoon to stir in as well. Now, please, it's worthy of note, that whenever you are formulating products, make sure that all of your equipments that you're using are properly sterilized, please, because you do not want to introduce anything into what you're mixing. So this is a very good advice that you should take in. If not, you're going to be breeding bacteria and molds in your mixes. So like I said, the lactic acid goes in as well, and I've just added 1 tablespoon of my lactic acid because I also want this particular lotion to exfoliate, to take off the dead skin cells so that the lotion can work properly. So that's why this lotion is a night lotion. This lotion should only be used at night. So my lactic acid goes in as well. So now what I did, because of time, like I earlier stated that I was supposed to do this in a rush, so I measured in my concentrate, my my glitter terminal injection, my drops of vitamin E, and my glitter C. Yes, I added my glitter C into it as well. So I measured it into a cup. Everything was about 20 ml thereabout, and then I poured it into this as well. And then I gave it a real good stir with my spatula. So this product is really, really going to whiten up our skin and really glow our skin as well. Now, this is also what I want to always make sure that people achieve. So don't just use tubes and mix anyhow. So that's why I tend to make sure that my products are all around the product. It's going to nourish your skin and it's going to do exactly what you want. So that's it, guys. So this is to make your Halfcaste Whitening Lotion. For more tutorials, if you really want to take this skincare business to the next level, then you can come in for our training. Send me a message, and I'll get back to you. And that's it, guys, for today. Your Halfcaste lotion is ready. So, guys, if you need to go and whiten up flawlessly, this Halfcaste lotion is really good for you. I said, not only whitens your skin, but it gives you a flawless feel, a flawless look, uniform, without dark knuckles, without dark toes, and without any blemishes as well. So thank you for watching this video. Till my next video, bye.